Is your heater acting up? When the cold hits, you need a team you can trust to keep your home warm and comfortable. Greeley Furnace Heating and Air is here for all your heating repair needs, with a reputation built on honesty, integrity, and exceptional service. Our experienced technicians respond quickly, diagnosing issues and providing clear solutions so you're never left in the cold. Whether it's a simple repair or a full furnace replacement, we make sure the job is done right the first time. During those unexpected cold spells, we even provide space heaters to keep you comfortable while we work. From the first phone call to the final installation, our friendly staff and skilled technicians are dedicated to your satisfaction. We take the time to explain your options, answer your questions, and ensure you understand your new system. For reliable, thorough, and customer-focused heating repair in Northern Colorado, choose Greeley Furnace Heating and Air. Call us today at 970-356-0121 to schedule your service and experience the difference for yourself. Stay warm, stay comfortable, and let us handle the rest.